life cycle of a servlet. The web container maintains the life cycle of a servlet instance. Let us see the life cycle of a servlet. First one is servlet class is loaded. Second one is servlet instance is created. Third one is init method is invoked. Fourth one is servlet method is invoked. Fifth one is destroy method is invoked. So this is the diagram of a life cycle. As displayed in the above diagram, there are three states of servlet: new, ready and end. The servlet is a new state if the servlet instance is created. After invoking the init method, servlet comes in the ready state. In the ready state, servlet performs all the tasks. When the web container invokes the destroy method, it shifts to the end state. First one is servlet class is loaded. The class loader is responsible to load the servlet class. The servlet class is loaded when the first request for the servlet is received by the web container. Second one is servlet instance is created. The web container creates the instance of a servlet after loading the servlet class. The servlet instance is created only once the servlet life cycle. Next one is init method is invoked. The web container calls the init method only once after creating the servlet instance. The init method is used to initialize the servlet. It is the lifecycle method of a Java x.servlet.servlet interface. Syntax of the init method is given below. Next one is servlet method is invoked. Service method is invoked. The web container calls the service method each time when the request for the servlet is received. If servlet is not initialized, it follows the first three steps as described. If servlet is initialized, it calls the service method. Notice that servlet is initialized only once. Last one is destroy method is invoked. The web container calls the destroy method before removing the servlet instance from the service. It gives the servlet an opportunity to clean up any resource, for example memory, thread, etc. The syntax of the destroy method is public void destroy.